Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to mint Silk by starting with a stablecoin on a centralized exchange. We will be covering how to bridge your native stablecoins from a centralized exchange, swap into the Axelar bridged version, bridge into secret network and collateralize your stablecoin to mint Silk. For this example, we are going to start off with USDC on Coinbase. We'll be sending this USDC to Polygon and then to the secret network, but this same process can be used for many exchange and for many popular Ethereum Layer 2s or Sovereign Layer 1s. Most of the popular Ethereum Layer 2s, like Arbitrum and Polygon, as well as alternative Layer 1 networks like Avalanche and Binance Smart Chain, will be cheaper to bridge through than the Ethereum network due to high gas prices. All tools used in this tutorial will be linked in the description. Once you have logged into your centralized exchange account, go to your USDC wallet and click the option that says Withdraw or Send. Now you will need to open your self-custody wallet. In this tutorial we will be using MetaMask and Kepler wallets, but other alternative wallets can be used in the same way. Make sure that you are on the correct network in your MetaMask wallet, which in this example is the Polygon network, and then click the address to copy it. Now paste the address in the To field on the Coinbase Send interface. Next, choose how much you wish to send. You will also need to choose the network you wish to send your assets to. We will select Polygon. Click Send, and then confirm the transaction. Now that we have successfully sent USDC to Polygon, we will go to a decentralized exchange on Polygon in order to swap our native USDC for Axelar USDC. There are many decentralized exchanges where you can swap these assets, but we will use QuickSwap Exchange for this example. Go to the QuickSwap Exchange and connect your MetaMask wallet. Go to Swap, then choose to swap from USDC to Axel USDC. Now choose how much you wish to swap. You will need to approve the token if this is your first time swapping this asset. Approve the new token, set spending cap, and click Approve. Now click Swap and Confirm, and then approve the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Next we will go to tunnel.scrt.network. You will need to select to bridge from Polygon, and approve the connection to your MetaMask wallet. You will need to select to bridge to the secret network, and make sure that your Kepler wallet is connected. Select Axel USDC as the asset you'd like to transfer and input the amount you wish to send. Notice the fee is only $1.6 for this transfer. Below this, you can see the estimated time and the maximum transfer amount. Click on the box below the transfer button to approve that the information provided above is correct, and then click Transfer. Once the transfer completes, you will need to go to app.shadeprotocol.io and click on the Borrow tab on the left-hand side. Go ahead and connect your Kepler wallet as well. When you mint Silk, you are depositing collateral in the vault to back the value of the Silk which you borrow. This ensures that there is always more value backing Silk than there is value of Silk in the market. Select the USDC vault. In order to mint Silk, you will need to create a viewing key for your deposited collateral if you have not already. This allows you to view your privately wrapped Axel USDC. Next you will need to choose the loan to value or LTV ratio for your loan. This determines how much Silk you will be borrowing based on the value of the collateral you deposit. The closer your LTV is to the max LTV for the vault you're borrowing from, the higher risk you face of being liquidated. If the value of the collateral drops enough to cause your LTV to be higher than the max LTV allowed for a particular vault, you will be liquidated. If you are liquidated, you will keep the Silk you borrow but will lose the collateral you deposited. You can prevent liquidations by depositing more collateral or paying off your Silk loan. Stablecoins are generally very stable, but price fluctuations or depeg events can happen, so plan accordingly. At any time, you may pay back the Silk that was borrowed and withdraw your collateral. In this example, we will set LTV to 80%, which is very close to the max LTV for this vault, and click Deposit and Borrow to mint our Silk. Congratulations! You have just borrowed Silk against your Axel USDC. You can check your new Silk balance by going to the portfolio page. This Silk is now usable for anything you wish. Users can provide liquidity on ShadeSwap, deposit their silk into the earn pool and participate in liquidations on Shadeland, use in DeFi on another blockchain, or simply hold it for its perpetual hedging properties against volatility. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with others.